In the world of interior design, minimalism is often misunderstood as a shortcut to saving money. There is a common misconception that because you are using fewer items, the project should naturally cost less. However, in 2026, many homeowners are discovering that high-end minimalism is actually an exercise in precision. When you have fewer elements in a room, those elements must be flawless, and that level of perfection comes with a specific price tag. If you are planning a minimalist kitchen remodel in the USA this year, you aren't just buying cabinets and paint, you are investing in a lifestyle of clarity. To help you navigate this journey without budget shock, it is essential to look at a realistic, data-driven breakdown of what a minimalist kitchen remodel actually costs today. Defining the 3 tiers of minimalist investment. Before diving into the specific components, it is important to categorize your project. Minimalist kitchens generally fall into 3 price brackets based on the depth of the renovation. The first level is the cosmetic refresh, which usually ranges between $12,000 and $22,000. This is ideal for those who already like their kitchen's footprint, but want to modernize the aesthetic. This tier focuses on high-impact visual changes like professional cabinet painting, new designer hardware, updated lighting, and a sleek new backsplash. The second level is the mid-range overhaul, typically costing between $30,000 and $60,000. This is the most common path for American homeowners. It includes replacing old cabinets with new semi-custom units, installing quartz or natural stone countertops, and upgrading to modern, energy-efficient appliances. The final level is the luxury full-gut renovation, which can start at $80,000 and easily exceed $150,000. At this level, you are likely moving walls to create an open concept flow, installing fully custom millwork, and integrating professional-grade appliances that are hidden behind cabinetry panels for a seamless, invisible look. Cabinetry, the minimalist's largest investment. In a minimalist kitchen, the cabinets effectively become the walls of the room. Because you won't have decorative molding, intricate carvings, or ornate details to distract the eye, the quality of the cabinetry is your highest priority. For those on a budget, high-quality RTA, ready to assemble, cabinets with flat slab doors offer a sharp, handleless look for roughly $3,000 to $8,000. Moving up to semi-custom cabinets, which cost between $10,000 and $25,000, allows for hidden features like integrated trash pulls, pull-out pantries, and internal organizers that keep your counters free of clutter. Fully custom cabinets, starting at $30,000, are the ultimate choice for the true minimalist, allowing for floor-to-ceiling storage that creates a perfectly flat, architectural plane across your kitchen. Countertops and the beauty of continuity. Minimalism thrives on long, unbroken lines. In 2026, quartz remains the top choice for the minimalist kitchen because of its durability and the availability of uniform colors without heavy veining. A standard quartz installation will typically run between $60 and $110 per square foot. To achieve a truly high-end look, many homeowners are opting for mitered edges. This technique makes the countertop appear as a thick, solid block of stone rather than a thin slab. While this adds a 20% premium to labor costs, it is a hallmark of modern minimalist design that provides a sense of permanence and luxury. Appliances. Performance without the noise. Modern minimalist appliances focus on visual silence. This means choosing items that either sit perfectly flush with the cabinets or are completely camouflaged. One of the biggest shifts in 2026 is the dominance of induction cooktops. A smooth, black glass induction surface is a minimalist dream. It is easier to clean than a gas range and vanishes into the countertop when not in use. A quality induction unit typically costs between $2,000 and $4,000. Additionally, a counter-depth refrigerator is essential to ensure the appliance doesn't stick out into your walkway, usually costing between $3,000 and $5,000. Labor and the clean line premium. One of the most surprising costs in 2026 is the labor required for simple looks. Minimalist designs are often more difficult to build because there is no trim or molding to hide mistakes or gaps. A general contractor typically charges between 10% and 20% of the total project cost. However, because you are asking for precision, such as perfectly aligned cabinet gaps or recessed, invisible lighting, you may find that electricians and carpenters charge toward the higher end of their scale. Installing flush mount outlets or concealed ventilation requires more time and expertise than standard, off-the-shelf installations. Accounting for the invisible costs. Even with a solid plan, the hidden costs can bite into your budget. Permits and design fees can range from $500 to $5,000 depending on your location and whether you hire a professional kitchen designer. Furthermore, once the old cabinets are removed, it is common to find outdated wiring or plumbing that needs correcting. You should always set aside a 10% contingency fund to handle these behind-the-wall surprises without derailing your project. Smart ways to save without sacrificing style. If the total figures feel daunting, remember that minimalism is about intentionality, not just spending. You can save significantly by keeping your existing layout. Moving a sink or a stove requires moving gas and plumbing lines, which can add $5,000 or more to your bill. You can also opt for open floating shelves instead of upper cabinets, which is significantly cheaper and helps a small kitchen feel much airier. Finally, doing your own demolition can save you upwards of $2,000 in professional labor fees. Conclusion: a realistic minimalist kitchen remodel in the USA for 2026 isn't about being cheap. It's about investing in the highest quality essentials. While a budget refresh can be done for under $20,000, most American homeowners find that a truly transformative upgrade lands in the $35,000 to $55,000 range. By understanding where the money goes, primarily into seamless cabinetry and high-performance surfaces, you can make informed decisions that ensure your new kitchen is both a financial asset and a daily sanctuary of peace.